80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in night, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So finally guys, we got a little juice on the F10, man. It's running better than before. So right now I just got like a little boost. Something like 4 PSI, 5 PSI, what the tuner put on it. But for right now, it's just a little baby just to like test it out, you know? I think probably soon I'm gonna have to get some brand new coil packs, man, because these that I got right now, they ain't putting out enough power. So I'm gonna probably get some Dyna coil pack or some Precision Raceworks coil pack, because these giving me some like random misfires. And I'm using the coil pack out of F80 M3. That's the coil pack I'm running right now. I think it's a stock one out of that, man. So I'm gonna have to get some Dyna coil packs, because I'm running brand new spark plugs right now, and I gap them to like 0.20. So that's where I gap them if you're running like full E. So any of y'all trying to gap y'all spark plugs, y'all should gap it either 0.18 or 0.22, somewhere right there, and y'all be good. But I'm gonna have to get some Dyna coil packs, man. Got like a 550 over there. Shit's clean. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't subscribed already. These for y'all that like Subies. But right now I'm in traffic, so I'm not gonna board y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all watch the full video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, man. And also, guys, I flashed the car with the XHP transmission tune the other day, like probably a couple days ago. So now we are stage 3 transmission tune, man. This shit responds quickly, no joke. So if y'all don't got the transmission tune, I really recommend it, man. Damn, that shit aggressive. And also, guys, make sure y'all stay tuned for the videos to drop, because right now we're getting somewhere, man. Little by little. And also, I got some new seatbelt harness for these bucket seats. I got some brand new harness there in the back with my 360 cam. So probably tomorrow we're gonna make a video on that, and I'm gonna install it, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Also, guys, let me know down in the comment section what content y'all would like to see. If y'all want to see more of racing, installing, or some POV, or some car meets, man. Even though it's been a while since I go to a car meet, but I'm gonna start dropping some more videos on that, and some more videos on a couple other builds, man. So stay tuned for that. Alright, as I said earlier on into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.